Hi, my name is Chris, and you're watching Trebon Designs, Bobby Rhodes. So today I'm going to share with you a simple yet elegant design. This was for a rehearsal dinner for a client who had a special event downtown in the city I live in. She was looking for something fun and flirty, so she decided to go with shades of pink with a pop of yellow. So we did a lot of blush roses with the hot pink stiletto rose, as well as solidago with touches of silver dollar and seeded eucalyptus. I think it's very simple but yet very elegant as well. So this spray is probably one of my favorite pieces that I designed for this particular event. It has hydrangea, pink dahlias, and snapdragons, lysianthus. So it has the same flowers I mentioned earlier, but a few specialty flowers to really make this piece pop, as well as the soft pink sheer ribbon. So this is the piece de resistance, which is a large floral arrangement that my client wanted for the entryway when the guests arrived for her event. I think it came out absolutely beautiful. So that's the same flowers as the spray I just showed you guys, but it's just, a little bit more of a flair. I think that's beautiful. Okay guys, that brings us to the end of our video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And once again, thank you all for the support you've given me since I've started my channel. And, be sure to follow me on all social media at Trebon Designs. And thank you so much. I love you guys, and I appreciate it. See you next time.